For our community campaign project, we chose to investigate the water quality around Maryland, ranging from different major cities to our own campus at UMD. So, what defines water quality? Water quality can be defined by the United States Geological Survey as a measure of the suitability of water for a particular use based on selected physical, chemical, and biological characteristics. Some ways of measuring water quality include turbidity, pH, and sediment toxicity. Turbidity can affect water quality by influencing how much sediment the water contains, making the water less suitable for drinking. pH can influence water quality by affecting the water's taste or odor, making it less appealing to drink. Finally, sediment toxicity can affect the turbidity of water, making it less safe to drink.
Research from the University of Maryland Public Schools Health states recent studies detected microbiological contaminants such as total coliforms and E. coli in both private and public drinking water supplies in Maryland, as well as per and polyfluoroalkyl substances, aka forever chemicals, in approximately 1.3% of Marylanders' public drinking water. In the latter half of 2023, this persisting issue was addressed once more by the University of Maryland. Researchers set up a QR code that gathered multiple participants, 18 years or older, who owned a home or apartment in Maryland, which were given a free water testing kit and allowed for additional testing afterwards. Aesthetic contaminations are forms of pollution of which are visible, smellable, or tasteable, many of which come from minerals in people's pipes not getting checked enough, especially during winter seasons.
Now, in relation to schools in Maryland in general, PFAs were found in 34 different schools throughout the state. This has caused much of the school drinking water to be tainted with lead and other damaging chemicals. This has also caused an increase in bottled water usage as a replacement to the typical water fountains. Oh, I see you're at one of UMD's special water fountains. Did you have any questions about it?
Yeah, what's that green light mean?
Well, green is good. That means that the filter is working well and the water is safe to drink.
What's that yellow light right here mean?
Oh, well, that one's a little weird. That means the filter is a little finicky. It still works okay, but it needs to be replaced soon. But the water is still safe to drink.
What does that red light mean?
Yeah. Red is bad. Red means that the filter is not working well or at all, and it needs to be replaced immediately.
Oh, so what's this big number right here?
Oh, that tells you how many disposable plastic bottles that this water fountain has helped eliminate waste from.
Thank you for the information, sir.
Thank you.
Havre de Grace is located at the mouth of the Susquehanna River where it meets the Chesapeake Bay. This summer, we had 2 incidents of sewage overflow in a span of 3 days. This resulted in approximately 45,000 gallons of raw sewage released into the bay. This is only one recent example of pollution in the Chesapeake Bay. What contributes to the poor health of the bay? As seen in the image, agricultural runoff is responsible for 45% of the nitrogen pollution in the Chesapeake Bay. Air pollution from vehicles and power plants is responsible for 19%. Stormwater runoff is 17%. Wastewater treatment is 16%. And septic systems are 4%. The amount of nutrient pollution correlates with rainfall, which fluctuates from year to year.
The overharvesting of the oysters contributes to the decrease in the water quality as the concentrations of nitrogen and phosphorus are steadily increasing. This increasing trend of nutrient pollution stems from the overuse of fertilizers on farms, septic tank and wastewater systems, as mentioned, and automobile exhaust. Notice anything in common about the listed causes? They are all caused by human-led activities. The destruction of the bay grasses continues to reduce the quality of the waters due to the fact that they provide habitats to filter feeders and provide a steady source of dissolved oxygen for aquatic life. A program set up by the Maryland Department of the Environment called the Chesapeake Bay Total Maximum Daily Load, or TMDL, is the scientific estimate of the maximum amount of nutrient pollution the bay can receive and still remain healthy and meet state water quality standards.
While there are many water quality problems like we have discussed, there are just as many possible solutions to combat the water quality problems. For example, solutions include reducing plastic waste, promoting green agriculture, wastewater treatment, water conservation, improved stormwater management, and maintaining septic tanks, among other things. And here are our sources. Thank you.